I am in control of my life. I am brave. I am capable of anything. I am worthy of my desires. I deserve all the good in my life. I feel courageous. I feel energized. I feel renewal. I know the universe is fully supporting my desires. I am waking up. I want to be all that I am capable of. I am awakening to my potential. I see now all that I am capable of. I am excited to step in to my greatness. I feel my light shining brighter. I see that when I let my light shine, I can light up others. I love to light up others. When I enter a room, I let my light shine bright. I stand tall and brave. I can handle anything. I feel such gratitude for this life. I am so grateful to breathe this air. I am grateful for this life I am living. I make the most of this moment because this moment is all I have. I make the most of this moment because this moment is all I have. Love. I am joy. I am happiness. I am peace. I feel peace. I am waking up. I love myself. I am enough, and I always have been. Letting my light shine. I love myself. I let myself feel joy. I seek the good. I open my heart to the goodness around me. I am enough, and I always have been.